Uneven paint coverage on baseboards above carpet can be fixed quickly with the right sequence of sanding, cleaning, and targeted repainting. Start by assessing the affected area under good light to identify thin spots, drips, and texture differences. Lightly sand only the uneven patches with fine grit sandpaper until the surface feels smooth to the touch and any raised edges are removed. Wipe the sanded area with a lint-free cloth dampened with water or mineral spirits depending on the original paint type to remove dust and oils and let it dry completely. For small, thin spots, use a quality angled sash brush and apply thin, even strokes feathering beyond the patch so the new paint blends into the old. For larger areas, use a small 3-inch roller with short nap to create the same sheen and texture as the surrounding baseboard, rolling in one direction and then lightly across to flatten brush marks. If the original finish has a semi-gloss or gloss sheen, wait the recommended dry time and apply a second thin coat rather than one heavy coat to avoid runs and keep the sheen uniform. Common mistakes are sanding too aggressively, which creates low spots, so sand lightly and check progress often with your hand. Another frequent issue is failing to clean the surface first, which traps dust or residue under the new paint, so always wipe the area and allow full drying before painting. A third problem is applying thick coats to hide flaws, which causes drips and visible texture differences, so always use thin, even coats and build coverage in 2 passes when needed. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors for tasks from baseboard touch-ups to full repaints, and our discussion community connects people to share techniques and supplier tips. We also help contractors find work by giving them a place to present their services and join homeowner conversations.